What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hey man, before I start this video off, see that scrape pressure. Alright, so today's video I'm telling you 5 things I wish I knew before I became a truck driver. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing, you have to put in time before you think you can get any driving job you want. My thing is, pick a company that has a pretty decent reputation. Once you find one of those, drive for them. If you like, you're probably not gonna like your first company, but the thing is, just stick with them, get that first year out the way, and once you get that, at least that first year out the way, like a lot of doors, like, they'll open up to you. And I think it's because, like, insurance purposes, and the companies, they want drivers that know what they're doing. So like that year mark, that's like you pretty much in the door with that one. If you find a company that's pretty decent, you can, like, once you get that 1 year and you getting it all from one company, that looks way better versus you going out driving for all these different companies. So they get the impression like, all right, so he jumping around, like, he or she jumping around from all these companies. What make, like, he might do the same thing for us, so why would we invest when he probably just, you know what I'm saying, leave us in a couple months anyway. So you get the year, get the year with the same company, preferably, and you pretty much in the door. All right, the second thing, you probably have to get used to being away from home. And some people say it's no problem. I don't, you know what I'm saying, I've been away from home before, but like, as a new driver, you probably won't be making like that much money as, you know what I'm saying, like the year experience guys. So, and like all this right here is just like from my personal experience. You probably have somebody that has a different experience, but I'm telling you, like, from my experiences. And I've heard, like, and some other stories I've heard too. So that's like the structure of this this video. Everything I say, it ain't like edge and stone, like this how it always 100% goes, but from my experience, and I probably got some other drivers out there that can vouch for me. So if you a driver, you know what I'm saying, with some experience under your belt, you watching this video, go on, drop some tips that'll help school, you know what I'm saying, the new wave of drivers coming in. I've been away from home, but it's totally different. I mean, for the first, I guess, few weeks, you be with a trainer, but after you get your hours and stuff, you be out there by yourself. Sometimes, like, when you get on the road by yourself, I mean, it's nice, like, you being on the open road, but at the same time, like, if you got a, you know what I'm saying, old lady, a wife or something at home, got a girlfriend at home, something like that, and like you used to seeing them every day, every night or whatever, starting off, you probably see them a few times a month, like, cause you're gonna, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna be gone most of the time, depending on what job you take. But I'm married, and I like, you know what I'm saying, I'm so used to being around my wife every day and shit. So yeah, like, at first, well, she was my girlfriend at the time, but yeah, at first I'm like, bro, and I was like on the road, I just be calling and stuff, like, we just be talking, we got the phone, like, damn, bro, I'm in this shit for myself. Like, that shit, sometimes that shit, like, it hit different, like, when you out there and you just like realize this shit. Excuse me. I mean, and it do take some time to get used to it, so don't let that, you know what I'm saying, discourage you. But if you don't got no kids, no girl, if you just like, especially if you like just turned 21, you just getting your CDL, bro. If you young, bro, this like, if you young wanting to be a trucker, like just turned 21 with none of like kids, wife, no like real responsibilities yet, bro, you look pretty good at him, man. Sometimes like just being away, bro, that shit, it just get depressing as fuck, and you be like, bro, I can't do this shit no more. But you gotta have like a strong mind, man, cause that shit, if you weak-minded, it's gonna break you, bro. It broke me. I went out on a job on my first time. Matter of fact, with US Express, I went out there, bro, and I say 2 weeks later, I'm like, bro, what the fuck am I doing? The dude was like real dull, man. Like, this shit ain't hitting no shit, bro. I left there and was like, damn, it gotta be something local I can do. I went and I like everything I was looking up, like local or that was paying like real good. A year experience, bro. So you gotta put in the time, number one. And number two, you gotta get used to being away. Number three, get as many endorsements as possible as you can. Like, if your school, if you go to a school or whatever, a truck driving school, and they offer doubles, triples, hazmat, tanker, fucking try to get as many, because the more endorsements you got, the more, you know what I'm saying, opportunities and the more money you can make. So that's another thing with endorsements too. And while I'm on the topic of endorsements, you might as well go and get your TWIC card too. TWIC card, I mean, you can go like pull a container, like pulling out the port and stuff like that. So number three, go on, get all them endorsements out of the way. Endorsements is more money. Yeah, this should have been the first one I said, but start young. Now I got some opportunities open to me, so, and I'm like making pretty good money. But if I started when I was 20, like as soon as I turned 21, if I got it like right then, I would have, a lot of my goals would have been accomplished. If I would have got my CDL when I turned 21, if you start this CDL young, you got time to process. It really ain't for me. Yeah, number five, and most important, in my opinion, practice real good like eating habits and like trying to, you know what I'm saying, improvise ways to stay in shape. Like, you can do push-ups, sit-ups in your truck. Shit, get outside, jumping jacks to try to, you know what I'm saying, keep endurance up. Or if you stop at a truck stop with fitness center, or if your company terminals have like fitness centers or whatever, take advantage of those shit, man. Breakfasts, that IHOP, Waffle House, all that shit. Try to avoid that shit, man. Like, just try to get you something right quick, like get you a boiled egg, just take the egg white off, throw the yolk away, goddamn, get you a cup of fruit. Cause when I was OTR at regional and I wasn't eating at home every night, I was fucking Waffle House, IHOP, eating the wrong shit from Chick-fil-A. Bro, my fucking blood pressure was up, cholesterol was up, bro. Man, I was screwed up, and I was like, when I was driving, and I wasn't even like fat. I was just like, you know what I'm saying, like heavy. I think I'm about 250 right now, but at the time I say I was like about 270, bro. And I just be sitting behind the steering wheel, and like I just like trying to catch my breath. It feel like my chest was sitting on my stomach, and I wasn't like real, like how you see some motherfuckers like real sloppy fat. I wasn't even like that, bro. I had a little belly and my chest was like a little bit bigger, and I felt like, bro, that was the worst I ever felt in my life. It's easy, all you gotta do is like go there, pay for it, and you know what I'm saying, and all that shit is gonna be available to you, bro. You just gotta have that self-control and that mindset to like eat cleaner, bro. I ain't saying like ain't nothing wrong with it. So you probably like one day out of the week, be like, yeah, I go to Waffle House right quick, boom. But I was eating that shit every fucking day, dog. And I'm telling you, my cholesterol was up, my blood pressure was up, and I think I was like pre-diabetic, dog. So I was, yeah, like try to like incorporate a little bit of cardio, a little bit of exercise, and I say like try to get you about 30 minutes to an hour. And that ain't even a lot, like to get like 30 minutes to an hour worth of working out and shit. So from me to y'all, eating all the bullshit, cause you sitting down driving the whole time, bro. And that shit, I'm telling you, it will catch up to you. So try to eat as clean as possible. Get yourself checked out every 6 months, whatever, however you get your annual checkup. Yeah, just try to, you can't make the money, you know what I'm saying, if you ain't here, so. And the money don't mean nothing if you ain't here, and the company just gonna replace you, so. Yeah, man, that's the top 5 things I wish I knew before getting my CDL, man. So, number 1, put in your time and get your experience. Number 2, you gotta be used to being away from home. Number 3, get as many endorsements as you can. Number 4, start young. And number 5, practice healthy habits, bro. Exercising and eating right. Hopefully that kind of gave you the right mindset before getting in the truck. And like I say, if you're an experienced driver, drop some comments below, man, like tips, things y'all like running tip, like things you wish you did before you know what I'm saying, started driving or whatever. Cause I know I probably forgot a bunch of them, but that's 5. I think like that's a real key. So yeah, man, make sure y'all subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DSCB_MOE. And yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all hold that thing in the road. Keep between the mustard and the mayo. And I'ma catch y'all boy in the next one.